Yo, what is up, guys? It's KG here, and today I'll be doing a AC Milan rebuild. Now, I I already began like the video yesterday, but yeah, the footage got corrupted. But this is the end of the first season, right? So, since it's the end of the first season, I'm gonna show you how I performed, and then we'll go straight from there. Let's get it. So first of all, I don't think for the expectations we had, we did good, but yeah, for my standings, we did bad, man. We have to do better. So we finished fourth, yeah, and our initial budget was 11 million pounds. Yeah, I use pounds, so couldn't sell players. Most of them, yeah, I couldn't sell like the ones who had value. So I I used some of them in swap deals to sign other players, and then I signed cheap ones using like installments and whatever. Now I'm gonna show you the squad. Yeah, let me show you the squad. Uh, fuck me. Let me just show you the transfers that I made before I show you the squad. In January, I signed Emil Smith Rowe on a loan deal, and Alexander Simmelhack. Yeah, I signed him when the season ended, so he's going to join the club next season. And then, oh yeah, these guys are leaving on future deals. So yeah, these are not the stats for last season. I want to see the stats for last season. Well, I'll just show you. I'll just show you. Oh, I'll just maybe. So I signed Julian Alvarez and Fermin Lopez in January. Yeah, so I signed him in the beginning of the season, and then I signed Fermin and Nonto in January. I also signed Gravenberch this when the season began. I signed Emil Smith Rowe in January, and I also signed Venderson when the season began, but I couldn't register him because he is a non-European player. So yeah, I had to loan him out, but I think he'll be able to play in season 2. So yeah, I sold the players that I sold are Calabria, Yassine Adli, Alessandro Florenzi, Matteo Gabbia, and Pobega. These are the only players that I sold in season 1. Yeah, man, I didn't do good, so I have to adjust the budget and no, I have to adjust the tactics and then see how we do in season 2. So let me sim until like the next season actually. So So, guys, this is season 2 now, and let me show you what I did. No, man, why did they? Man, fuck. Okay. Let's go. So since it's the transfer window is just open, let me show you who left and who joined. So the people who left are Fikayo Tomori. Fuck, I didn't sell him. No. Well, this is what you get when you sim. Oh, he left on loan, so yeah. Pobega. Okay, those are the only people who have left officially. I think there are some who are still about to leave. Oh, I think, and I'm about to sign João Neves. So let's just sim a couple of days and let's see what happens. Origi. Forgot he was here. Oh yeah, I asked the board to sign this guy, Lucas Corner Dwarf. Man, I put it that name, but yeah, man, look at this, man, and look at the fee. It's a no-brainer for me, though. Uh, looks like nobody has left yet. I'm still waiting. Like I'm still waiting for cash though. So if I can get cash, there we go. Damn. Damn, son. So I signed Neves. So I need to replace. Yeah, my focus should be on the midfield and the defense since I lost two good defenders, and I think I lost like three of my midfielders or something like that. So I need to replace them. Shite. Let's see. Okay, now I've signed two midfielders. I need to sign a new center back, maybe two good center backs. Maybe I can sign Mosquera and Steven De Vrij because I think he's available or something like that. Let's just see. Let me take a look. Did the money for okay? I didn't get the money, but let's see. Mark Gay. Yeah, nah. Nah. Okay, I should definitely go after Chadi Riyad. Let's see if we'd like to join or not. Okay. It's Barcelona, man. They'll take whatever I can give them. Let's see. Make an offer. Definitely ain't paying that much. So 15, and then in installments, 2 installments. Yeah, nah, they can't. And then like slap on maybe 25%. Okay. Yeah, I can. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. Now let's see the squad depth. Yeah, I don't have. Yeah. Yeah, I think I have Kalulu, Malik Tiao, and then signing Riyadh would be good. Mukiele would slot in that position very good. So, guys, I don't think I will sign new players, and maybe I will, maybe I won't. But yeah, I'll just yeah. If I do end up signing people, I'll just show you at the end of the season. So, guys, this is the end of season 2. Without wasting your time, let me show you how we did. So we won the friendly cup. Doesn't matter. We won the league. Yeah, we won the league. We reached the round of 16, and we were the runners up in the Italian Cup. So round of 16 in Champions League, and we won the league. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think in the next 2 seasons, I think we will do good in the next 2 seasons. Let's see who did well with the goals. It's Julian Alvarez, Rafael Leao, Emil Smith Rowe, Teo Hernandez. Oh wow, Teo did good, man. Teo, Okafor, Simic, Pulisic. Man, I'm not so sure about Pulisic, man. Next season, man. Next season. The top assister must be Venderson, I think. Yes, it's Venderson. Pulisic, Leao, Reindeers, Teo Hernandez, Julian Alvarez. Okay, I can work with that. I can work with that. Yeah, I should fix which position do I think I should fix? Well, the center back position is the center back position is, I think we are good. We have Tadi Riyad, Malik Tiao, Pierre Kalulu. Yeah, and then I think we should get backups. Yes, I need a backup right back and a backup left back. Yes, and then okay. Next season, I want to win at least two more trophies. Let's get it. See you next season, guys. So what's up, guys? This is the end of season 3, and I don't want to spoil anything, but yeah, we did good, man. We did good. First, let's check the performances of the squad. Our top goal scorers. Top goal scorer is Rafael Leao, followed by Rocco Simic and Christian Pulisic. Top assister is also Rafael Leao, Theo Hernandez, James Garner, and Van der Sar. Keep in mind that some of these guys were not signed by me. I signed everyone from the first season, and then season 2 and 3, these guys were signed by the club, like James Garner, Smith Rowe, Messi. I don't even. Oh yeah, I think I signed Messi, but yeah, it was a pre-contract thing, something like that. Yeah. Alejandro Garnacho, Simic, and Wilfred Gnonto. Yeah, these are the guys who were signed by the club. And Trubin, yes, Trubin. But judging from the stats, I think the club did very good, man. Let's see. We won the Serie A, yeah, so back to back. Yeah, this went to the wire, man. The last match. Another round of 16 exit. We won the Italian Cup and we lost the Super Cup, so we only did the double. I think season 4 might be the last season of this rebuild because kind of like tired. So no matter what happens with season 4, no matter the trophies we won, I think it's the last one. So let's hope we go for the Champions League at least. I want a treble, but the Champions League, yeah. So let's get it. I'll see you guys in I'll see you in May 2027. Wait, what's going on? Okay, let's go by year now. Yeah, whatever, guys. I'll just see you. I'll just see you in season 4. So, guys, this is the end of season 4, and yeah, I don't know. Spoiler alert: we didn't win the Champions League. Fuck, man! I really wanted the Champions League. Well, let's see how the squad performed overall. Man. We're starting with the player stats. Oh my! Oh. But still, though, man, everybody sucked, man. What's going on with this? 19 and 3, 16 and 11, 15 and 3, 13 and 9, 11 and 17, 10 and 20. Damn. Okay, I can get behind it. Let's see competitions. Round of 16 again. Yeah, we won the league again. So it's back to back. Yeah, 3 times. And then we lost in the semi-final in the Italian Cup and we won the Super Cup. So the only trophy that we didn't win was the Champions League. So guys, bear with me here. This was my test rebuild, okay, like test series. But I know what to do now, so I think it will only get better from here on out. Even with the editing and the videos, yeah, it will get better from here out. But now I see how I can structure this thing, and I hope you guys like this video. I'll be coming back with more. See ya, guys.